Changhua Christian Hospital dispatched a medical team to Papua New Guinea in 2015, with share as the core value to spread our love and care.
彰化基督教医院它是一个非常独特的医院，在119年前，我们的蓝前院长从英国远渡重洋来到台湾，设立了这个以爱跟慈善为出发点的医院。2005年，彰化基督教医院就成立了海外医疗中心，把以爱为核心的一个价值呢扩散到全世界。
张吉跟巴纽的合作缘起于大概差不多2004年的时候，在巴纽比较北部的地方叫维旺进行了医疗宣教。
We came to Papua New Guinea with a humble heart. Even though the road was bumpy and we were exhausted, our selfless devotion turns into joy and happiness for the people in Papua New Guinea. Changhua Christian Hospital's medical team first visited Angao Memorial General Hospital in Lae, which is the second largest city in Papua New Guinea, in 2009. The blazing sun not only brought them brilliant shine, but also ultraviolet light that damaged their sight. Hence, started from 2010 to 13, Changhua Christian Hospital dispatched ophthalmology team led by Professor Ling to Angao Hospital to relieve patients from eye problems. We shared our skills and donated equipment to cultivate local medical staffs until they can operate cataract surgery on their own to help the patients regain their sight.
From the bottom of my heart, I thank you. My role as a CEO, I'm really thrilled that the team from Taiwan is here. I've developed a very close relationship with Changhua Christian Hospital and the sister hospitals that go with it. And I'm so pleased that Angao can benefit from the expertise that we get from you, and also from the training and the capacity building that you give us at Angao.
2014年开始，我们也是符合巴纽整个国家政策的需要，他希望我们能够朝癌症专科的方向来进行。
Therefore, Changhua Christian Hospital dispatched radiation oncology and hematology doctors to Papua New Guinea, sharing local medical staffs the proper treatment and care for cancer patients. Medical imaging doctors and radiation technicians also joined to exchange their experience and knowledge with local technicians.
他们这台仪器啊，虽然说没有像台湾64千那么好，可是他们已经可以去做那个 CT 的治疗。
Specimen diagnosis is as important as the medical equipment. Therefore, Changhua Christian Hospital also sent pathology doctor and technician to Papua New Guinea to teach them the techniques of paraffin embedding section and smear diagnosis. Owning the knowledge of stoma care was new to Papua New Guinea. Changhua Christian Hospital dispatched stoma nurse to demonstrate the correct way of ostomy care to local nurses. We also organized several educational activities to disseminate the concept of using ostomy bag in stoma care.
See, as a mark, so you will know how large the stoma you have to cut the ring.
Up to 70% of people in Papua New Guinea are used to chewing betel nuts. However, chewing betel nuts is one of the key factors to induce mouth cancer. Therefore, we invited head and neck cancer specialists to join the medical team to treat the oral cancer patients in Papua New Guinea and share the latest skills of cancer treatment through keynote speeches. We also went to primary and secondary schools and encouraged them to say no to cigarettes, alcohol, and betel nuts through interactive quizzes and questionnaires, so that they can learn the concept of how to live a healthy life since childhood.
因为巴纽这个国家，它非常严重的是它的糖尿病、慢性疾病、心脏病，大概占他们死亡率超过40%以上。
We've also dispatched diabetes case manager to share the knowledge with local medical staffs and patients in diabetes complication care and balanced diet by using self-designed posters. We know that the concept of disease prevention should be taught since childhood. Through animated voices and gestures, the message of balanced nutrition and diabetes prevention was conveyed to children in order to make their life healthy.
Okay, what's this? Yeah. And yes.
To uplift the local medical professional knowledge, we organized the advanced courses for Papua New Guinea medical personnel in clinical skills training and the latest knowledge sharing. We also monitored the outcomes of training and evaluate how well the new skills were applied on their work. Changhua Christian Hospital also helped to refer the patients who could not receive proper care in Papua New Guinea to Taiwan. In 2009, Mrs. Janet Yaki, the spouse of former Minister of Foreign Affairs of Papua New Guinea, had her colorectal surgery in Changhua Christian Hospital. After returning to her country, she turned the love and care received in Changhua Christian Hospital into motive force to found the Papua New Guinea Stoma Association and focus on dissemination the concept of stoma care.
I am here because of Changhua Christian Hospital, who had assisted me and did my surgery in 2009. I really appreciated what they had done. Colostomy bags and ileostomy or urostomy bags, they are quite new to our country because we do not have them readily available in Papua New Guinea. So each time the Taiwanese medical mission comes, they bring us all these supplies, which are very helpful. Starting last year, I had requested if the Taiwanese medical mission can bring a stoma therapy nurse. So I would like to thank Changhua Christian Hospital for, first of all, saving my life and it meant for a purpose, and that purpose is for me to open my eyes and to see the suffering of my own people. So thank you so much. I share that love from me, and I give it to my countrymen. Every time they ask me, where did you do have your surgery? I said, Changhua Christian Hospital. Where's that? It's in Taiwan. So I have Changhua Christian Hospital in my heart. It's there forever with me until I die, I think.
那海外医疗中心，我们的核心价值我们叫 Shih。那我们希望透过 Shih 这样子的核心价值，除了灵性的关怀、医疗照护、资源的分享，把这样子的爱传递到每个角落。
Despite the color of skin and language are different, the warmth of a smile can surely surpass it all. Every step out of love and devotion will be passed down to the next volunteer. Then we shall send this love into every needed hand.